back again with another amazing video. Thanks for being here. In our today's video, I'm going to show you some metal welding furniture project ideas that will help you to make a beautiful and a durable furniture by using welding art. So let's get started. Metal welding is a technique that has been used in furniture design for centuries. It is a process that involves joining pieces of metal together to form a strong and durable structure. Welding can be increasingly popular in the furniture industry. It is allow for the creation of unique, intricate design that would not be possible with other materials. In this video, we will explore some metal welding furniture ideas that are both functional and aesthetically appealing. One of the most popular types of metal welding furniture is the industrial style table. These tables are typically made from heavy-duty steel and have a rustic raw look that is perfect for a modern home. Industrial style tables are often used in dining rooms, kitchen, and the living spaces. Then you can pair with a variety of different chairs to create a unique look. And other popular type of metal welding furniture is a metal chair. Metal chairs are often used in outdoor seating such as patio and gardens. They are durable and weather resistant, make them a great choice for outdoor use. Metal chair can also be used indoor in a modern and minimalist homes to create a sleek and contemporary look. The metal welding can also be used to create a unique and intricate wall art. Metal wall art can be a texture and the dimension to a room can be used as a focal point or to add interest to a plain wall. Metal wall art can be made in a variety of shapes and sizes and can be painted or left raw for more industrial look. Metal welding can also be used to create shelving unit. Metal shelves are often used in modern and minimalist homes and can be used to display books, art, and other decorative items. Metal shelves are often made from thin sheet or a sheet that are welded together to form a strong and durable structure. Another popular welding with furniture ideas is the metal bed frame. Metal bed frame is often used in the industrial and a modern home and can be paired with a variety of different bedding to create a unique look. Metal bed frames are often made from thick steel tubbing that is welded together to form a sturdy frame. The metal welding can also be used to create unique and functional storage unit. Metal storage solutions are often used in an industrial and a modern home and can be used to store a variety of different items such as books, clothes, and shoes. Metal storage solution can be made in a variety of shapes, sizes, and can be customized to fit the specific need of the homeowner. In addition, these furniture ideas, metal welding can be used to create a unique and intricate light fixture. Metal light fixture can add a touch of industrial charm to a room and can be used as a focal point or add interest to any plain ceiling. Metal light fixture can be made in a variety of shapes and sizes and can be customized to fit the specific need of the homeowner. Metal welding is a versatile and durable technique that can be used to create a variety of different furniture and decorative items, from industrial style table, a chair to unique wall art, shelving unit, metal welding, and add a touch of charm and personality to any home. With its ability to create a unique and intricate design, metal welding has become an increasingly popular choice in furniture industry. If you are looking for a way to add a touch of industrial charm to your home, consider incorporating metal welding furniture into your decor. There are several benefits and advantages of using metal welding furniture design. Here are some. First one is durability. A welded metal furniture is extremely durable and long-lasting. When properly welded, metal joints are very strong and can withstand heavy load, make them ideal for furniture that need to be sturdy and robust. Second one is the aesthetic appeal. Melding Metal welding offer a wide range of design possibilities, from intricate pattern and shapes to sleek and minimalist design. Welded metal furniture can be finished in a variety of ways, including paint, powder coating, or polishing to create a unique and personalized look. Welded metal furniture can be easily customizable to meet a specific need requirements. This allows designer to create bespoke pieces that are tailored to the need and the preference of their clients. Metal welding can be used to create a variety of furniture pieces, including chairs, tables, and create a handsome look throughout a space. Metal is a highly recyclable material, making it an eco-friendly option for furniture design. Additionally, metal welded furniture is often built to last, reducing the need for frequent replacement. And here are some ideas: steel framed sofas with leather cushions, industrial style coffee table with metal legs and wooden tops, welded metal bookshelf with a glass or a stone top, and metal bed frame with sophisticated headboard, geometric wall art, and a piece of geometric box, metal storage cabinet with massive perforated doors. Here is our today's video. We will meet you in our next video. So keep watching and do subscribe our YouTube channel.